In this video, we shall be looking at how to face Telegram verification code not received problem. Before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, in the first place, all you need to do is to open your settings and scroll to apps. Now, look for message. And once you look for messages over here, you can see notifications. Make sure you turn on notifications, allow notifications over here. And once you are down, scroll to where you can see MMS messaging. Turn on this toggle. Now, once you are done, open your App Store or your Play Store, update your Telegram. So you can see update over here. Click on update to update your Telegram application to the latest version. Once you are done, open your settings once again. Now, once you open your settings over here, click on apps and look for your Telegram. Click on Telegram and you can see over here notifications. Click on notifications and allow notifications. By doing this, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching and also follow for more.